Hi friends, today we're going to be drawing a picture of a snail, so let's get started. So grab a pencil. If you want the same one as me, look in the description box for this video. And we're going to get started by drawing the eyes. Go ahead and make two little ovals, two circle oval kind of shapes right next to each other, and draw two circles inside for the highlight. Those are the eyes. Then fill them in with black like so, and we've got the eyes. Now we're missing a smile. Now we have a little face smiling back at us, and you're going to draw a little rainbow right there. Then you're going to draw two little circles for the antennas. How cute. And you're going to color in the two little circles. Easy peasy. Kind of looks like a frown right now, but we will draw two lines from the eyes of the frown down for the antennas. And we have two little antennas. Look at that. Then we want to draw a big round line for the head on one side and on the other side. And kind of make sure they're ending at the same spot, and then continue the line curving into a smile right there. And then we're going to draw another curvy line down. And here's the fun part. We're drawing waves. Fun little waves for the slime of the snail, and then connect the slime like that. Then we're gonna draw a big rainbow all the way down, and we're gonna continue it into a swirl. This is gonna be fun. Woo! Swirling into the inside as far as you can go. There, just one little line, and that's it. Can you believe it? We're done? That was so easy and quick.